They vanished to air. While I stood wrapped in wonder, missives from the king hailed me as Thane of Koro, by which title the Weed Sister had saluted me, and referred me to the coming on of time with, Hail, king that shall be! Glams you are, and Koro, and shall be what you are promised. Yet I do fear thy nature. It is too full of the milk of human kindness.
The king comes here tonight.
You are mad to say it.
So please you, it is true. Our Thane is coming.
Go, you bring great news. The raven is horse that crooks fatal entrance of Duncan under my battlements. Come, you spirit that tend on mortal thoughts. Fill me from the crown to the toe top full of direst cruelty. Come, thick night, that my keen eye see not the wounds it makes. Great Glums, worthy quarter, greater than both by the all hail hereafter.
My dearest love, Duncan, comes here tonight.
And goes when?
Tomorrow, as he purposes.
Oh, never shall son that morrow see. He must be provided for, and you shall put this night's great business under my dispatch.
We will speak further.
Leave all the rest to me.